Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get the Phantom debit card and use Phantom Cash. So let's get started. First things first, please keep in mind Phantom Cash and the card is available only in the Phantom mobile app. And as of now, it's only exclusive to users in the United States, though more countries are expected soon. Now, to get the Phantom debit card, simply link a bank or debit card. Just click the second option from the bottom. Now, this allows you to instantly add funds and start using them. And once you've got your funds in your Phantom Cash balance, you can now apply for the Phantom Debit Card. So the Phantom Debit Card lets you spend your Phantom Cash anywhere Visa, Apple Pay, or Google Pay are accepted. And right now, you'll get access to a virtual card inside the app, and a physical card option is coming soon. But for now, in my case, as you can see, the only option that I have is to join the waitlist. But for anyone else in the US, it's going to be available. All right, and that's pretty much it. With Phantom Cash and the Phantom Debit Card, you can finally use crypto like regular money, all from one simple app. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.